Yeah. People love supporting hating gay people.
No, just Chick-fil-A good.
I don't like Chick. Guys,
Trying them.
we're trying something new. I don't know what these are. I forgot what they're called. They're tater tots with cheese.
It's good.
Oh, they're hot.
Just really hot.
Dixon Clips, Mine Holes. He's also a real estate agent, and he's also a title rep as well. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys.
Hey guys, I realized I didn't start the vlog today because I was so exhausted. So what are we doing, John?
We are now in Philadelphia, headed to, what do you call it?
I don't know. This is my first time.
The Liberty Bell. There you go.
Okay.
So, finished up the podcast for my, one of my businesses.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, since we're gonna make. $3 is an hour.
Let's walk around for an hour. Why not? So far, I can't speak. So far, we're walking, and it's really pretty. Like the architecture is really pretty.
The way they set this up,
Hmm?
it's like the way they set this up is really nice
Yeah.
and feels safe.
Yeah.
That's the number one thing. Only thing that sucks is finding parking.
Yeah.
I ain't bitter about that though.
Yeah, not a bit. Ow.
Pennsylvania Bible Society.
I am so tired. I feel like I definitely didn't get enough sleep last night. Like, not enough coffee or caffeine is helping. I'm so tired.
These lights right up on the bottom are.
Oh.
What you think?
Something about slavery.
President George Washington figured that maybe Hercules was planning to escape. So he sent him back home where it would be harder to get away. At Mount Vernon, they put Hercules to... It was President Washington's birthday too.
This was like the basement foundation of where Washington built part of like one of the houses of his. It's like proof. I wonder where's the actual Liberty Bell?
A picture of the bell. And then there's a bell in there. What does the Liberty Bell mean? You about to get beat up.
Liberty Bell is to proclaim liberty. I forgot exactly.
Okay.
Nice. Cute. Doggo.
Baby. Hey.
You don't want to look.
Yeah. You look tired.
Yeah.
Hey.
He looks so tired.
Okay, leave you alone. Good night.
Tired of your bullshit.